Hi, Como teachers. I'm here today to teach you how to send out a mass email on Infinite Campus. And so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to click on the waffle and I'm going to go to instruction. All right, then I'm going to go to the message center and I'm going to click on new. And I'm going to leave the message type as a class message. As a user, I'm going to click on Como. Notice that I have different schools. If I wanted to go out to all the students at Como, I'm going to click on Como. And then I'm going to leave the template as new. I'm going to make sure that the inbox and the email are checked, and they should automatically be checked for you guys. I'm going to send my delivery date to May 22nd. And I'm going to make sure that I send it out first thing in the morning so that my students see it on May 22nd. So I'm going to choose 7 o'clock a.m. And then I'm going to tab down. Let's see, tab down. And my message sent is have a great summer. That's going to be my my subject, and then I'm going to type dear, and I want the Infinite Campus to fill in students, not first and last names because I call them by their first name, but their first name. So I'm going to click on Insert Campus Field. And then as soon as that comes up, I'm going to click on student, and then I'm going to click on first name, and the Infinite Campus is going to automatically put my students' first names in. All right, and so then I'm going to click the body. I'm going to type the body of my email. I hope that you have a safe and happy summer. Here are some fun summer activities that you can do at home, period. I will miss you all. You very much. Love, Mrs. T. Okay, and then I want to include a link for those fun summer activities. So I'm going to highlight fun summer activities, click on link, insert my link, and I just copied and pasted this link from the internet. It's like 100 fun things for kids to do over the summer. And then I'm going to insert that into my email, and I'm going to click next. And then if you notice, it's going to send it out for quarter one. I don't want it to send it out for quarter one. I want it to send out for quarter four. Now, I could select all 4 quarters if I wanted to do this at the beginning of the school year and send out an email to my students reminding them to do something. I could do it for all 4 quarters, but I'm just going to do it for term quarter 4. And as you notice, these are all the classes and all the sections for Como because I have rights to all sections and all students. And so it's going to send out an email to all the students in all of these sections. So I'm going to click on the drop down arrow and I'm going to click on receipts. Under student messenger contacts, that would be their parents and students. And so if I want to send these emails to both the students and the parents, that way if the students aren't checking their email, then I click both of them. I'm going to go to next. And then I'm going to look at my email, make sure that it looks good and that it's ready to send on, and then I'm going to click send. All right. And then if I want to see a log of who I emailed, I can click inbox, and I can click email, and it will give me a log. I would click view log. I'm not going to click view log because on my first video I clicked view log and it showed every single student, and we don't want to put their information out on the web. And so if you click log, you'll be able to see all the students that you sent this to. And then I'm going to close, and if I go back to the home page of Infinite Campus, I'm out of instruction, and I go to index, and then I tab down. I'm going to tab all the way down where it says Message Builder, and I'm going to click on Sent Message, no, not Sent Message Log, I'm sorry. I'm going to click on, yeah, Sent Message Log. And then it's going to show me the emails that I have sent. As you notice, I have 2 emails that I sent, practicing sending emails with this video. And then I have one that I canceled. I'm going to show you how to cancel an email. So I'm going to click on this email, and then I'm going to, it's going to show the email that I have to send out, and I'm just going to click cancel this message. That way, if you mess up, if you say, oh, I don't really want that email to go out, you're able to cancel the message. And if you notice, it now says canceled message for that email. And I just canceled all of my messages, so I'm not going to send that message out. That was just for practice. All right, guys, so tomorrow for the webinar, please watch this video ahead of time, and then when you come on to the WebEx section, I'm sorry, not the WebEx session, onto the Zoom session, we will take any questions that you have on how to send out a mass email. That will be our topic for tomorrow. All right, guys, I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will see you guys on Thursday at 12:30 for our Zoom help session. All right, have a great day. Thank you so much.